You've probably already heard about the practice of wrapping certain parts of your body with plastic wrap in order to lose weight. But, do you know what could happen if you go to bed with your stomach wrapped in plastic wrap and bandages every night? One mother tested this and was delighted with the results. After 3 births, my stomach was no longer flat and attractive. I was persuaded by a friend to buy seaweed lotion, plastic wrap and bandages, to achieve weight loss, says Colleen. She applied a thin layer of lotion on her stomach, wrapped it in plastic wrap, and applied the bandages. She then went to sleep. When I got up, I took off the bandages and wrap and measured my waist. I was in shock. I lost 2.5 inches during one night, said Colleen, delighted with the results. She advises anyone who doesn't believe in this technique to try it out for themselves. The secret of this technique is actually in the loss of accumulated water. The summer period is ideal because of the additional influence in perspiration and removal of excess fluid. Of course, the success of this weight loss is short-lived because the water is constantly compensated, so it's recommended to combine this method with proper diet and exercise in order to have the perfect waistline. Here's her secret recipe for dye body wrapping. You only need 3 things: dye body wrap supplies. It's best if it contains something from the ocean: seaweed, kelp, mud, clear plastic wrap, bandage wrap. It's a simple process. Step 1. Apply a thick layer of lotion to the area you want to target. Make sure not to rub it in completely. You can do it on your stomach, your thighs, your upper arms, wherever your trouble spots are. Step 2. Wrap the entire area with your plastic wrap several times. Make it snug, but not tight. You do have to wear it all night long. Step 3. Now wrap the area with a long bandage of some kind, anything that will keep your wrap in place. Be sure to cover the plastic completely. Secure it well and you're ready to hit the sack. The idea behind this is to help your body release water that's retained due to weather or food consumption. The combination of lotion and plastic helps sweat it out of you. I've only tried it and I loved the result. Maybe a little something to help get you swimsuit ready, says Colleen.